I don't know what to do. Well, that's not exactly true. Hey guys, how's it going? It's been a minute since we've been here. I'm actually building a cutting board. I'm sure you saw that on the thumbnail. But the difference with this one is I've never done an end grain cutting board. So let's see how that goes. I'm using 3 different types of wood for this. This is walnut. It's got a lot of sapwood in it, so I just kind of want to use it up. It's still pretty, it's just not as dark as people like their walnut. This is some cherry, and the third piece that I'm using is it's a sapele. It's a really nice dark wood. I really like it. That's it. That's the sapele right there. It's really nice when you get some finish on it. This is going to be a pretty straightforward video, so there's not an awful lot to talk about. I did have a pretty big mess up, and I'll point that out, but other than that, it's just a cutting board video. So sit back, have a watch. I'll chime in when I can. Enjoy. This is worth mentioning. I've learned that my crosscut sled does not have a perfect 90-degree fence. So much so that when I go to flip every other strip to glue it up for the last time, the checkerboard pattern had almost a fisheye look to it. It's kind of cool, but I can definitely see a new crosscut sled in my future. What I'm doing with the plywood is I'm making an adjustable juice groove jig. So I'll take 4 strips, put them on each side. Here I'm taking the V-bit in the router, and I'm going to use it to find the center of where I want the juice groove to be. Bring the slat over to the router base and then measure it. And then that's going to give me my width of the base of the adjustable boards. The mistake I had mentioned earlier comes around this point. I don't have footage of it. I thought I did, but I don't. I was doing the juice groove, and the router got away from me a little bit and put a big gouge in the corner. So I ended up having to take about another 1/8 of an inch off of the entire thickness. It turned out okay. I wish it was a little thicker, but it's still pretty good. And for finish, I just used mineral oil. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Sorry it's been so long. I plan on getting back in the shop a lot more this year. All right, well, we'll see you on the next one.